Welcome to Tech Guru Technology. My name is Imran Khan. In this video, we'll learn about while loop in VBA. So while loop in VBA, for that we have a similar kind of example what I have discussed in my last session. So see here we need to write table of true with while loop. So I have already written while loop here. So I need to remove that while loop first. Okay. So initially, first we need to write for loop. The for loop, because we need to understand the concept, we need to compare the concept of for loop and while loop together. And this is the nothing but the example of for loop. How we are writing for loop? See here, and for while loop, what we are doing, I am saying write do first and then write while and then while. So we need to check condition here, the last point here in for loop we are not checking condition first, we are checking condition at last. So we are in while loop we are checking condition first. So I'm saying I is greater than equal to 10, and then I'm saying loop. And second difference is that in for loop we are terminating for loop with next keyword. In while loop we are terminating while loop with loop keyword. All right, this is the second difference. And now what we need to do, we need to write other code here. In for loop we are initializing variable with one inside the loop. However, in while loop we need to write that I is equal to 1 before the loop. Right. In for loop, the third point, in for loop, the for loops increasing the value of I automatically here at this point of time, at this line, and here we need to increase, we need to write the code like this: I is equal to I plus 1. That means we need to increase value no manually, it will not increase automatically. This is the major difference between for loop and while loop. All right, so I believe you understand the concept of while loop. So let me explain further what we are doing. We are just writing, we are just going to sheet 3 and then cell number. We need to display the result here. The cell number start from 2 to row number 2 and column number 1. All right, so we start from here. Row number 2 is nothing but I plus 1, because I is 1 here. You can see 1 plus 1 is equal to nothing but 2, right? So then comma, the column number is nothing but the 1 constant column. Okay, now table 2, for table 2, 2 into 1, not 1, because we need to increase that value. So I'm saying I. All right, so this is nothing what we did in our in the for loop. The similar kind of activity we are doing here. All right, let me actually execute the particular portion of code. So I'm saying clicking here. So strange, we are not getting any kind of value here. So what kind of problem? Can you please can we check what is the problem? Why we are not why we are not getting any kind of value here? So let me explain. Let me check with this break mode. Okay, because here what I said, I is greater than equal to 10, or now I is equal to 1. However, if you see here, I is not greater than equal to, is not greater than equal to 10. I is always less than equal to 10, because value of I is 1 2 3 4 5 6 10. So I did miss this mistake just because of we need to understand the logic, why, how, what kind of condition we need to write here. All right, so if you're not getting desired result, that means you might have written some wrong condition here. So I'm just saying putting less than or equal to 10 because 10 sign. Now we are just I'm just clicking it here and terminate our execution and executing code again, right? So let me see if we'll get the result. Yeah, we are getting result here right now. So Do you understand? So let me understand the logic by one by one with break mode. So we can see the result here. But how our VBA code work to achieve this kind of result? So let me delete out this portion of code, this portion of value, and then I'm start from the beginning. I'm clicking here, and then I'm saying, okay, Mr. Code, please start from very beginning. All right. So I'm clicking at F8. Initially, it initializing the variables, putting value I, 1 in I, and checking if 1 is less than 10. Yes. Now, going to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 comma 1. All right. So it's going to cell number 2 comma 1 here. 2 comma 1 is nothing but this cell. And then putting 2 into 1. That means 2. It's displaying, it does putting result 2. All right. Now, it is increasing the value of I. What the next keyword do in our for loop, right? So now the now the value of I become what? The value of I become 3. Oh, it might not be 3, right? Okay. So yes, 3. The first, second, and third value is third value. Okay. So in order to in order to remove the confusion, I'm just writing code again. I'm just executing code again. So okay, F8 value of I is initially it took 1 and increase value with 1, so value I become 2, and then is going to check again if the value is less than or equal to 10. You could remember that in for loop the particular loop is not going to the for loop line, in any kind of in any point of execution, it automatically check the value if it's less than 10 or not. So now in the while loop, in while loop, it's always come after executing loop, it's always come at the first line of the loop. Okay, now let's go to that particular line and check, go to the 2 plus 1 3 3 comma 1, and go to that, jump to that cell, and then put some value like 2 into 2 4, right? So you can see 4 value here. So it's working like this. So now let me terminate it. And so if I put something like 11 here, so will our loop will do something, will work, will display some result or not? Let me explain. So for that, I'm just executing code in break mode. F8 now I is equal to 11. Now it will check if 11 is greater than less than or equal to 10. No, so it will not enter to this loop body anymore. I believe you understand the concept of while loop. So in my next session, I'll show you the concept of do while loop. Right? Please subscribe my channel. Please, I suggest you to forward this link to all your friends. And thank you so much for watching my channel.